I am Ari Harkov with the harkovlewis team at Brown Harris Stevens, and I'm thrilled to introduce you today to residence 4FG at the Harbor House at 130 Jane Street. This gut-renovated, gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home features original pre-war details, including an exposed original beam from the warehouse, as well as beautiful modern finishes. Let's go take a look at the rest. The gut-renovated triple mint kitchen features marble countertops, custom cabinets, and top-of-the-line appliances by Miele, Bosch, and Wolf. Off the great room, we head down this hallway, past the second bedroom, and a wall of closets with amazing storage, and into the primary suite. This suite offers amazing closet space, a gorgeous spa-like bathroom, and 2 oversized windows overlooking tree-lined cobblestone Jane Street. Perfectly located adjacent to the meatpacking district and the Hudson River Park, Residence 4FG at 130 Jane Street is an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, fully gut renovated, and a rare offering in the market. Again, I'm Ari Harkov with the harkovlewis team, and I want to thank you for joining me on this tour today. If you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule a visit, kindly contact me or any of the members of the team, and we'll be thrilled to get you in.